How to create a landing page for Clickbank affiliate marketing 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a free landing page for Clickbank affiliate marketing in the easiest way possible. And to create a landing page, it's pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to need to have some type of affiliate marketing link for yourself. Obviously, you can go into the affiliates overview, find some type of order to promote. Okay, get the average conversion rate and all. And as you can see, it says, welcome to the world's most leading, affiliate platform. So just choose any reliable, marketing scheme you have. And obviously, when it comes to building landing pages, trust me, landing pages are the best way to market your sales, market whatever link you're giving out, and to get the best lead generations, to get the best links out in the world. So to get a concept and idea of this, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come here to Google Sites. All right. I'm going to come to Google Sites over here and it takes me into the Google Sites sign in section. So I'm going to go out over here. Now, obviously, you're going to want to sign up with the Google Sites using a Google or Gmail account. I already have a Gmail account and I've signed in. And as you can currently see, I've used Google Sites previously a lot. Okay. So, it's got a great builder. You have no watermark on Google Sites and it creates a great landing page and you can convert any HTML in this. You can embed any link in this. It's pretty incredible. So to start things off, I'm going to click on blank site. And once you click on blank site, it brings you here. So to start things off, here you have your first page title. Now, let's say on affiliates we're marketing some type of let's say smoothie brand. Okay. So to market a smoothie brand, over here we can write the headline. So I'm gonna write delicious, great to taste, and rapid weight loss speed run. Okay, I'm just gonna write that. Now, obviously, you can see that these textings, like the style of text, is not good. So don't worry, you can change it. So I'm gonna go ahead into some type of font that I want. Let's say I'm gonna go with Georgia, and then you have your font size. You can change that as well. So delicious, great to taste, and rapid weight loss speed run. You can do that. Then you can also change the color of your text. You can make this bold. You can make this, smaller. Italicize it if you want. Whatever you want, just go with that. Now, in this case, I'm gonna go with a more, caption or a font that I like. So let's go ahead with the Oswald. I'm going to go with normal. So that looks pretty nice. And I'm going to leave it at that. That looks pretty cool. It looks pretty great. And again, as I stated, you can actually change the colors and italicize different texts. So let's say I'm going to italicize weight loss. Okay. Because mostly people drink smoothies because of weight loss. So delicious, great to taste, and rapid weight loss speedrun. So you get a general idea of all of this, and it's pretty simple to start things off. Like we've created a basic template of how the store is supposed to look, even as of now. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come to some site and start grabbing images. So in this case, I'm going to use unsplash.com for myself. So we're going to come over to unsplash.com, or you can even go to Pexels. Okay. And here, let's say I'm going to write smoothie, right? Smoothie. And here it's going to give me different images of smoothies, and really high quality images, if I might add. So obviously make sure to add an image that would fit well with your page. So I think this would fit pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And once you add that, you're going to come here and click on the background. Here it's going to say images. You're going to click on upload. And I'm going to select the image that I came up with. And look at that. So that looks pretty nice. But obviously you can do better with some type of upper view of a smoothie. Like, look at that. So that could be good. This could be good as well. So let's say I'm going to download this. So try all the images that look good. Try all the images that have a good raw idea. Add them. And look at that. So that's pretty incredible. Now, one more thing is, if your text is messing around with the actual outlook of it, like the coloring scheme isn't really matching up. So you can actually change the color as well. So, delicious, great to taste and all. So let's say I'm going to go with a bit of a mustard dark blue. Look at that. That's pretty fitting. That looks pretty nice. And I like the look of it. Now, moving on. Once we've created this for ourselves, you can actually go ahead and start adding handlers. Okay. Now, what do I mean by handlers? Basically, you can embed in different links of different advertisements that you can add. So over here, let's say I'm going to go and write smoothie ads. Okay, I'm going to open that up. And once we open up Smoothie Ads, it's going to give you different royalty-free ads that you can obviously pick off of websites like Shutterstock, Ad, and let's say I'm going to add an ad banner, okay? I would prefer more of an ad banner, so let's go with this. This looks better. So you can pick up any ad banner that you like. Okay, open it up. Now, there's places like freepick.com and all these places where you can actually choose great ad banners for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go with this certain ad banner right here. I'm going to click on download, and I'm just going to wait for it to download the whole file for me. Now there we go. Now it's going to download the file, and I'm just going to wait for it to fully process everything. So once it gets processed, I can add more aspects into my store. Now obviously my file is done, so I'm going to come over to my downloads, and I'm going to go ahead and extract this file. And once we extract this file, here you can see you have your image right here. So I'm going to come back to my speedrun over here. I'm going to click on images, click on upload. Okay, go to whatever folder you have to upload the images, choose the image that you want to upload, and it's going to add itself over here. So you can actually increase the size and increase the area where you want to add your image like this, and just increase it more if you want to. Let's say this is a good size to keep your image in. You can actually decrease the size as well if you want to. It all depends on the type of look and styling you want to go with. Then down here, you can actually create a text box as well, in which you can, ask ChatGPT to write you a good smoothie handle, or, I'm just going to write smoothie information. Okay. So let's say I'm just going to pick off some information off of Wikipedia real quick. Okay. So let's go ahead and add this, copy, and we're just going to simply paste it over here. Now, if some type of document is pulling up issues, there's no worries in that. You can simply go ahead and paste it. And again, if it doesn't take off text from Wikipedia, choose any other article. But yeah, you get the point. So this is how you're going to make your landing page. Add your text over here, and basic landing page is done. So once you create your landing page, you're going to click on publish, give your website an address. Okay, let's say I'm going to give it that address real quick. So once we have this address, simply click on publish. And once you click on publish, you can actually view your website. Okay, I'm going to click on view publish site. It's going to open it up, and look at that. So that's how you can view your site. It has good styling. Obviously, you can fill it in a lot more, and then you can just export it to your Clickbank, and that is how you're going to create a landing page for your Clickbank in the easiest way. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you, and if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.